So I'm here with Charlie French from Amazon. He's the director of smart homes. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thanks, Andy.
Hey, you got a new device here. This is the Echo Hub.
This is the Echo Hub. It is the one-stop shop for your smart home. It's got the ability to control with just a tap any device inside of your smart home, but you can also check status. You can see, is your alarm armed? What's the temperature on my thermostat? Got a ton of other stuff. Happy to show you anything you want to check out.
Sure. Let me just move away so the camera can get right up close and just kind of go through everything that we're seeing.
So we set this up in the office, so it defaults to showing my office widget with those devices in here. So if I want to turn on a desk lamp or turn off a desk lamp, I can do that with just a tap. But if I want to say, where's the dog right now, I can click in and I can tap on an individual camera and I get a live view on here. But what's incredibly cool is doing multi-view when you get all 4 cameras simultaneously streaming to this device. Now you're really going to figure out where your dog is. But like I said, I've got it set up in my entryway, so it's my alarm system. I can come in here and I can tap security, and I can disarm my alarm when I get home, and then I go turn on all of the lights across the house that I want to turn on. You can also run routines on here. So we have, for example, a good night routine set up. So it'll turn off our lights, it'll lower our blinds, it'll lock the door. But you can really do anything with your smart home on this device.
Does it have Echo built into it as well?
Correct. So it's a full far field device. You can talk to it like any other Echo. Obviously, it's designed to be wall-mounted. Speakers are here firing up, but you can hear it like you can hear your Echo Show 15, so it'll be able to respond to you.
And this is like a DIY install? You don't need a professional installer to put this in?
No, you can do it yourself. It's got a bunch of different options for how you install it. You can mount it on a wall. It comes with a mounting bracket. You can put it over a single gang or a 2-gang outlet.
Okay.
You can buy an accessory to have it just sit on a shelf if you want to have it sit on the counter or something like that.
How did you do it over here? Because I don't see any power cords. Did you go behind the wall?
Yeah, we have power going through the wall. So if you have, the power cable, you can drop down. Like if you have an outlet underneath and you want to just drop your cable down and plug it in, you can do that. Get power over Ethernet. It can connect through USB-C. Wow. It's like every way, Geek Squad's got it, right?
I love it. I love it. And when is this going to be coming out onto the market?
Later this year.
Later this year?
Yeah, 10 countries, $179.99.
See, that's just a great price point because typically, like, this is not new. There are other companies that do this, but it's expensive. It's a third party. Then you have to deal with like updates and all that. But having, an Echo device, an Echo Hub, really makes sense when you have all these Echo devices inside your home.
Yeah, exactly. It's a fantastic device for a fantastic price, and managing your home, especially if you're somebody in the home who wasn't the one who set all of the devices up, way easier.
And Charlie, for bigger homes, it makes sense to even have more than one inside your house. You might have one in your entryway, one in your bedroom.
Right. I have one in my office, one in the entryway, and I can't wait to put one in my living room. Maybe one in the bedroom on a bedside table to turn stuff off before locked doors before I go to bed.
I love it. So the Echo Hub, if you have a lot of smart home devices, this is what you want to control everything with the touch of a button. Thanks, Charlie.
Yeah, thanks, Eddie.